All right. Hello, friends. This is Miss Blanks again, and we're back on our last day of our math class of the first week. You made it. Woo! All right. So today we will practice representing numbers 0 through 5. And representing just means showing how many. Okay. So before we start, let's go ahead and count forward from 0 to 5. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job. All right, now let's count backwards from 5 to 0. Ready? Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. All right, so remember when we practiced how to supersize? Okay, and remember I told you supersize means that you're thinking really fast. Okay, you're just looking at the objects that are on the screen and you're thinking really fast about how many without counting. Okay, so let's try to do that. Okay, so how many counters do we see on the board? Four. Supersize said four. Let's see if I was correct. Yes, this is four. Okay. Now, did you know that supersizing was the same as representing numbers? Yes, when you supersize, you're representing numbers. You're showing how many or how much a number is. Okay. So let's look at this one. So we even represented the number 3 on a 10 frame. And remember, a 10 frame is a frame that has 10 boxes. Okay. That's why it's called a 10 frame. And we represented the number 3 because there are 1, 2, 3 counters on a 10 frame. Okay. All right. So now let's practice representing numbers. Okay. So the number we're going to represent is the number 2. Okay. So let's represent the number 2. And the way that you do that is all you have to do is just show how many. Okay. So that's 1 and 2. So I represented the number 2 because I have 1, 2 counters. Okay. Now let's represent the number 5, and this time we're going to use a 10 frame. Ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I represented the number 5 on a 10 frame because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. Okay, I showed how much 5 is by representing it on a 10 frame. Okay, by placing 5 counters on the 10 frame. All right, now let's represent the number 4 by using ice cream cones. Okay, you don't always have to use counters to represent numbers. You can use other objects as well. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I represented 4 by using 4 ice cream cones. Okay. Ooh, let's represent the number 0, and this one might be tricky. Okay. So I represent the number 0. What does 0 mean? If you said nothing, you are correct. So if I say, okay, let's represent 0, and I put one piece of candy there, is that correct? No, because 0 means nothing. So I'm going to take that away. Okay. All right, now you're going to go to your assignment. So you're going to submit a picture of you representing numbers 0 through 5, okay? You can use counters, which were the red dots like I did, or you can use shapes, or even you can draw objects like smiley faces or cookies. It's up to you, okay? I cannot wait to see what you do.